All right, today we're going to learn a little bit more about the wintergreen essential oil from doTERRA. Now, wintergreen is derived from the leaves of a creeping shrub found in the carnivorous areas. The main chemical component in wintergreen is methylene salicyate. And we're going to talk a little bit about that in just a minute, but it is used in topical creams and massage blends because of that soothing property. Now, in fact, wintergreen and birch are the only plants in the world that contain methyl salicyate naturally. And as a flavoring, small amounts of wintergreen are used in candles, toothpaste, and chewing gum. When diffused, wintergreen has a very fresh aroma and refreshing aroma, and it's very uplifting and stimulating. Now, through doTERRA's co-impact sourcing initiative, our source of wintergreen comes from Nepal, where it is wild harvest by rural villagers and then distilled by community-owned distillation facilities. Now, this process creates increased economic opportunity for remote regions in the rural Nepal area. Now, I do want to talk a little bit about the chemical components, because that really kind of explains a little bit about how we're going to use wintergreen essential oil. So I mentioned it in, if I could say it right, methyl salicyate. Let's see, is a rare organic chemical that is naturally found, again, in only wintergreen and birch plants. Now, the chemical contains both the soothing and renewing properties, and methyl salicyate is part of the ester functional group. Now, if you're familiar, some esters like wintergreen oil can be applied to reduce the appearance of blemishes and to provide a soothing and warming sensation when applied to the muscles. I like to use wintergreen in the wintertime because it's got that warming sensation. It's different than peppermint. Peppermint's got that cooling sensation, and wintergreen has that opposite effect. It's going to give a warming sensation to it. So it's great for soothing our muscles. Now, to learn more about the esters, methyl salicyate, or other chemical components found in essential oils, again, refer to the doTERRA Science blog. It is amazing about really understanding the chemical makeup of an essential oil and how you can use it. Now, research has shown that wintergreen can, like I mentioned, assist in soothing muscle sprains, promoting good oral health, and easing occasional head tension. So just know that it blends really well with oils like marjoram, peppermint, spearmint, thyme, oregano, and ylang-ylang. Now, some caution, I mentioned earlier in this recording that traditionally small amounts have been used in flavorings. For doTERRA's, we do not use it for internal use. It's a topical or aromatic use only, and there is a possibility of skin sensitivities. Again, it has that warming sensation, so if you don't like that, go ahead and dilute that with some carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, and remember to keep it out of the reach of children. You'll notice it does have a safety lid on there. Again, if you're under doctor's care or you're pregnant, please consult a physician, and also avoid contact in the inner eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas. Now, doTERRA's oils, like I said, can be used aromatically and topically. And the last but not least, the retail price of that is $25.33. Wholesale price is $19. So definitely is a good essential oil to have around the times when you need some muscle soothing for that. So anyways, take care and keep oiling.